Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is ignition module EIS for 2000 from 1999 to 2005 S class. The customer brought this car, this ignition switch to generate a key for it. He took it out, but it looked like somebody was working on it before, if you see the sign here. So he say, this guy, he said he cannot do it. I have to be sure that at least nothing get messed up in this. So I'm trying to open it first. To open this is very simple. And there is two ways of how you get a key for this one. Take the information to the dealer, and the dealer will bring you the key ready to go. You just put it in and start it. But the dealer now, they say that they need to see the car. They need the service. They need to service it. No more selling keys. So most of the dealer. Now, our problem here is there is two ways to read the information, write it to another module, or create a key. The first one is to open this and to solder wires. Using this module, solder the wire directly here and read the information. Or use click and go, this one here. You take the circuit board and put it here. And you read the information and write it into the key. You will get all the key numbers and you will write it into it. Yes, that's it. Now, you notice here, I'm going to open this one to have more information about it. This job is take like 10 minutes or 20 minutes to finish it if you have. Okay, this is a module that you need to read it. But if you notice here, as I look at it, it looked like somebody desoldered this one and soldered it again. And it looked like he messed up some stuff here. You see here, you see the solder is accumulating here and join two pins together, which means it short out the whole circuit. So our problem here now is that this one is not going to work. I'm not sure if the whole piece is messed up or not. What needs to be done is this have to come out. For me, when I have this, I only put this one here. I click it and I will be able to read the information. They call it click and go. You don't need to solder anything. Very safe, very accurate. And then you take the information, you write it to it. But now, the way I see it here, this one here, now, I have to stop, look at it by microscope. If you see here, like, look at this, how clean it is. See, the circuit board is so good. But the other one here, you see. So the first thing have to be done is to have to be cleaned correctly and adjust it and align it. Right now I see some links are moving away from the others. See this one here? Some lines are good, but you see even they move. You see the pins, they are not exactly in the same place. This one here, it look okay. This one here is like they all not in the shape, like they are. So this job, I believe either we have to get another one. We may try this, it may work. it may not work, but we already see that there are things that is not good here. If you are not a professional on soldering and desoldering, and by the way, this one need a heat gun, like something here. I gotta show you. You need something like this, soldering station. You see this? Soldering station like this, and you need to heat it up by a heat gun like this, by air, hot air, and then you will be able to remove that circuit board, clean it, everything, make it good, and then put it back. I will contact the owner and see what option he has before I do anything, and I don't want to be responsible of something that I did not do it. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe and share. And if you have any question, feel free. And if you have any help or any idea to give it to us, I will be happy to take from you. Thank you.